Good morning, Saaremaa. I know where you are, which is here. I also know where I am, which is here, and that's the problem. I do very much, I'm very sorry that I'm not able to be with you all for the next 2 days. It's a great personal disappointment. This has been it's a milestone that you're having in the journey of cooperation, networking cooperation. Started over 2 years ago in Åland, building much stronger now in Saaremaa with 3 countries. Also thinking about how to try and get this model of cooperation being built up and thought about and used in other areas of Europe. So it's a great process that you're doing. I know 100% that it's going to be a really successful workshop with everyone who is involved. So I don't need to wish you luck because you don't need it. All I'd like to say is have a very productive and very enjoyable, vibrant, rural North workshop.